Welcome back, folks, to Richie's Kitchen, and this is cheese and ham pastries fresh out the oven. And I'll just show you. Right, I'm just going to plate up. I'll take one because I'm going to keep two for after. Right, and I need to get a shot for my thumbnail, so we'll go for something like that. In fact, I'll cut it, then we'll see the cheese and stuff. So I'll just cut into one. That's it there, folks. The cheese and ham pastry. Pretty straightforward, but no doubt it's going to be pretty enjoyable. So I'll just stop filming here and I'll use one last wee look at it before I get my thumbnail. So that's it there. And as you've seen when I was making it, the cheese and the ham wrap, or cheese and the ham pastry. So that's it. Thanks for your time. Join me next time in Richie's Kitchen.